Hi, hello, good evening, ma'am and sir. By the way, my name is Flor Sabay Alejandrino, and I am 46 years old. I have two kids, ages 22 and 19. I study as college, but I am undergraduate. My course is midwifery. I am residing in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Barangay Muson. Uh, I work abroad 6 years in Saudi Arabia and Malaysia 1 year. Sir and ma'am, if you choose me, I will assure you that I can manage everything. I can cook, I can clean, I can do as a nanny, I can take care elderly. Whatever you want, I can do it. I have a lot of experience about working. And until now, I'm still working here in the Philippines as a nanny. The family is Chinese Malaysian. So I hope someone will choose me, and I will guarantee you that I will be very honest and hardworking woman. Sir, thank you very much, and have a good day, and God bless your family. Thank you.